No knead cottage cheese and dill bread. Here's how I made it.
In a large bowl, add your flour, then add your yeast, salt, and sugar. Stir it all together and set it aside. In a pot, mix cottage cheese, oil, caraway seeds, eggs, dill. Add water and heat gently to about 110 degrees. That's just warm. Mince your dried onions and add them to the flour. Then add your liquid ingredients to the dry ingredients. Mix well. It'll be stiff, but too wet to handle with your hands. Then cover and let it rest for 2 hours. Then really flour your board, grease your baking pan, get it ready, and flour your hands, and then divide the dough in half and shape your loaves. So notice that I'm just pulling and shaping and sort of turning it using the side of my hands rather than working my fingers into it, and adding as much flour as I need to keep it from sticking, and just using those sides. When it's all shaped, I pull out any curds that are on the top, stick them in the bottom of the dough, and then place them on my sheet pan where I'll cover them and let them rest for another 40 minutes. Then bake them first at a high temperature, then reduce the temperature, and oh, beautiful golden delicious bread.